Alright guys, good morning. Doing work today in Tallahassee, Florida for this job. Got gutter clean out and then a house wash, and then they also have a patio that they want to have cleaned. It's vinyl, so pretty straightforward. Not a lot of algae buildup. It's primarily just dirt. This is the patio back here. Should be a pretty straightforward job, so looking forward to it. All right guys, second job of the day. I'm actually running behind today. That first job, those gutters were a beast. Customer had a party, and so I didn't get any footage at the end. I got a couple of pictures, but people were coming in, so I was trying to get out. So got this house. This actually belongs to a realtor who owns the property across the street. So there's some green needs to be taken care of. Kind of do this wooden deck. It's in pretty rough shape, but I'm gonna see what I can do. Down through here, just a couple of bad spots down below, back in there. So she did mention the windows are pretty old, so gonna avoid them. This side doesn't look too bad. There's some wood damage up at the top. I'm gonna tape that box up. A couple electrical receptacles in the back. So just some green down below. I don't know if you could see this roof. I've never seen anything like it. It's like metal shingles. I'm not doing that today. And then this lanai, she wanted the inside and outside done. A couple of areas of damage, so I have to make sure that I'm real careful as I'm going through this. There's another spot there. Looks like it's got a couple spots here too, so we'll just be real gentle with it. Not sure what the stick's all about. Guess I'll get that. So we'll get started. Find 12 volt this. I'll probably start around 3%. Almost looks like rain's coming, so I'm gonna have to get after this one. We'll see how it turns out. All right guys, Jared here, Around the Bend pressure washing. Getting all wrapped up. It's been a long day, but a good day. So got this one all finished up. Let's take a look at this deck. I think the deck turned out really well. Starting to, you might say, get good at them. So overall though, everything looks good. You look down here, it was all green back there. Just spoke with the customer. She's happy, so I'm happy. Got all wrapped up. Gonna get out of here. Let's put this side. Well, that was green down below. And around here was more green. Close this gate. It's so peaceful out here. I love it out here. and the lanai. Did inside and outside. So it's probably too dark, but you can see it there. It all turned out pretty good. So we'll call it a day. Off tomorrow, and Sunday is Easter. So gonna get caught up on some maintenance this weekend. Other than that, thanks for watching.